In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Firestick remote. Right here is the home button. Next to it is a go back button. This is your presser, and this is your steerer here. You can also use this to use voice activation. Once you get into a movie, you can go backwards or forwards, or you can stop it and start it with this right here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this. First of all, if I want to navigate, what I can do, if you look up here, you can see it says home. Let's say I want to go to Netflix. What I would do is I'd press down on this circular thing here that's on your Fire Stick. And as I do that, what it does is it moves down, and you're going to see how Netflix kind of expands, it becomes bigger. Then what I would do is just press the middle of this right here to open it up. Watch. And bam, then Netflix opens up. It takes a while. And then once it opens up, you can choose what movies you want the same way by using the Fire Stick. First of all, I gotta tell them it's me. And there we go. So let's go down. And what I'm doing is I'm pressing down. As you can see, it's moving down. I would go to the side of the circle here and just move it along that way. If I want to go back, I just go to the other side of the circle here and move it that way. Now, if I want to go back to home, I just click here. And it brings me back to my home page. Bam, there we are. Now let's say that you want to open something by pressing the microphone. I could just do it like this. Open up Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Bam, that's how you do it. How about this? Go to home page. So that's an easy way that you can do it, just by pressing that and then just talking. If once you get it, like if I wanted to click backwards, I could just go like this. It just takes me backwards. So let's say I went down and I opened up, let's go to something different. I'm gonna open up Showtime, I guess. I'll just click on Showtime. All right, now let's say I want to go back to where I was. I could just click here, watch. And it just takes me back to that page, the page that I was just on where I got on Showtime. So let's go to Cinemax. Watch, I'll click Cinemax, right? Now there I am. Now if I want to go back to the same page where I click Cinemax, you'll notice that the Cinemax is still large. And if I do it again, I'm going to see Showtime on there. You see that? So that's how that works. It just takes you backwards one spot. And then if you open something up, let's go ahead and we'll turn something on. I don't know, we'll find something. Let's just click on this thing here. All right, so that's going to open up because I clicked on it, right? Now what I'm going to do is once it starts, I'm going to just show you. Here, I'm going to go ahead and hit play so you can see. So now it's playing. Now I want to stop it, I go like this. And it stops, right? Now if I want to go backwards, I click here. And you'll notice it gives me a timeline. And you can see the red line just getting smaller, right? And it keeps going because I pressed it a couple times. Now I can stop it by clicking that. I mean, start it again by clicking that. Let's stop it again. Now let's say I want to move forward. I just go like this. You can see the red line advancing. And that's how you do it. And let's go back to our home page. I just click home right there. So it takes me right back to home. And you're probably wondering what this is. What this does is it just gives you some information. So I'm going to go ahead and press that, and you're going to see it's going to pop up information on the right side. So it says options, watch now with epics, or add to your watch list. And I really don't need to do that. I just click it again, it disappears. So let's show you again. Gives you some information, and then bam. So anyway, if I wanted to watch War of the Worlds, that's where I could watch it. It tells me. One more time. Bam. Bam. And that's it. And that's it. That's basically how you use it. It's pretty simple. You navigate with this by clicking here, 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 right? And you can do the voice activation. That's always get back to your home page this way. And then when you're watching something, you can go backwards, forwards, stop, and start it there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with stuff like this. Pish out.